Yeah. All right. Hey guys, there's a weird entrance here. There's a sidewalk. Yeah, I don't think there is an entrance. Alright, so let's see if we can sneak in to the red roof in the back way. Oh boy. Yeah, guys, I can barely walk. Yeah. All right, guys, the day of murder, this second day, is finally over. Guys, that wind, unbelievable. Yeah. VIP parking observed. Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah, my water in the back is frozen, guys. I'm gonna lie, yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, guys. Power for positive thinking, a reasonable thinking too. Oh, the power of reasonable thinking. Oh, positive and hey, how you guys doing? How are you?
How you doing?
Good. I called earlier. I was running late because I'm riding a bicycle, you know.
Okay.
I thought I was gonna make it here by 5:30, like 5 between 6.
Next.
Yeah. It's fantastic. I'm doing a charity ride from St. Louis all the way to Chicago on a bicycle.
Oh.
400 miles along the old Route 66, you know. So it's for the charity for the hospital.
So room for ready for guests. Make for room ready for guests. Yeah. Next.
Oh, so you're in training?
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah. Cash. Cash. 5130. 5130, my friend.
Is it
5130.
Sorry, is it possible to get a room on the ground floor?
Accept.
On the ground floor, it's possible. So,
Next. Print it out paper. Sign.
Do you need the card I booked with?
Yeah.
I paid for everything last week.
Second.
Through booking.com.
Your phone number?
847-361-5163. Yeah, I waited until Black Friday, and booking.com had a bunch of promotions, you know. So I saved like 10 to 15%.
138.
$138.
No ID.
Is that you're the one you called on the phone, right?
Yeah.
1 hour late.
Yes.
Okay.
Virginsky.
Next. $50.31. Payment source.
Showing the payment.
Payment source. Payment source. Payment source on file.
Yeah.
Yeah. Charge. Next. Print it out and make it.
Here's your card.
Thank you.
Give me a license. ID.
E-cup.
$112.
Sign. Guest billing का go to guest dashboard sign कर पहले sign
Dashboard.
इसे search कर name
You know. 112. This one.
guest billing all the way down
This one all the way down.
okay
They have Wi-Fi.
guest
Guest. No code.